Hello viewers, in this video we proceed with question B2 of 2024 science paper 2 past paper, and we go straight to the question. The question reads as follows. The following diagram shows a piece of apparatus used in the laboratory. Now remember that this slightly looks like a burette, which is used to accurately measure volumes of liquids, especially during titration. But this is not a burette. So what is this? We need to know that this is a device used to separate liquids that are not forming or that do not form a uniform mix, and this is called a separating funnel. So let's go to the questions now. The first question says, name the piece of apparatus shown in the diagram. Oh, the answer must be, it is a separating funnel. So the answer to that question is that this is a separating funnel. The answer is separating funnel. We move on to question 2. Question 2, B2B, Roman number 1. Identify one property of a mixture separated by the piece of apparatus named in A. Okay? They are not saying identify the mixture, no, or name an example of a mixture that can be separated by this device, but identify the property. Okay? One property of a mixture. Now the common one is that those liquids must not mix uniformly, must not form a uniform mixture, and those liquids are called immiscible liquids. So the answer to this question would be the liquids are immiscible. Okay, the liquids are immiscible. If you don't want to use this, you can say the liquids don't form or don't make a uniform mixture. That is the answer to question B1. We move on to question B, Roman numero 2. Suggest the name of two liquids that can be separated by the piece of apparatus, or that can be separated by the separating funnel. What are the suggest? So when they say suggest, there is a variety where you can choose from. It's a suggestion. It's not that you are restricted to one answer. No, it's a suggestion. You must think of many. Out of those many, you are just picking any. So in my response, I picked oil and water. That is my suggestion. Oil and what? Water. You can also suggest kerosene and water, cooking oil and water. You can suggest also paraffin and water. Those are the suggestions. Any of those is correct. It's a correct answer. We move on to the next question. Next question says, suggest two precautions that need to be taken to separate the mixture in B2. What now? All here we've been having 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. Two precautions, 1 mark. I think there was an error here. This should have carried 2 marks so that you have 5 marks here. There is an error, because if it is 1 mark, then it should have said 1, not 2. So I think that there is an error here, which needed an amendment. So, but we'll still go ahead and suggest those two precautions that need to be taken to separate the mixture in B2 above. So the first one is that you clean the separating funnel. You clean it, you make sure that it is clean, it doesn't have any stains of other liquids. Okay, just in case it makes the impure mixture more and more impure. Then the other one is that you close the tap when filling the funnel. So you do well to ensure that this tap is closed when filling the funnel with that mixture, so that it does not go there, because as you pour, you find that it may come out as a mixture still. Remember, the mixture is immiscible. Okay, so that is the answer for, those are the answers for question B2. I hope this was helpful. Bye-bye.